Hello and welcome to Abby Varieties TV. Today we're making Nkwobi. Nkwobi is one of Nigerian food which is peculiar to people in the eastern part of the country, although it is enjoyed by everyone. So let's get right into the video. Nkwobi is usually made with cow foot. So here is our cow foot and it's been cleaned. Please ensure your cow foot is well cleaned. We'll be seasoning with 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, diced onions, one tablespoon ginger powder, bouillon powder or any Maggi of choice, and salt to taste. Please adjust your ingredients according to the quantity of Nkwobi that you're making. This is very important, please. Now we'll be adding some water. Make sure the water is to the level of your cow foot, because cow foot needs a lot of water to cook perfectly. And then we'll stir all of this together. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. You're very welcome. Please ensure to subscribe and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And to you, my returning subscribers, thank you so very much. Thank you for your support and unending love. God bless you. And then you cover and let that cook for about 40 to 45 minutes. Here our meat has cooked halfway. It's been roughly 20 minutes. So we'll need to blend 1 onion and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, and then we'll add this to our meat so everything can cook together. So here is our roughly blended pepper and onion. So we'll add this mixture into our cooking meat. Give this a nice stir so everything can incorporate and cook well till it's very soft. I added 1 Scotch bonnet pepper because this particular pepper is very spicy, so adding more than 1 will be too hot for me. So feel free to add more pepper if you want, but this one is perfect for me. Now we'll cover our pot and cook our meat till very soft. Now it's 40 minutes since our meat has been cooking and it is very soft at this time, but then we still need to add some more ingredients. Here is a 1/4 cup of palm oil, we have warm water, and we have potash, which is also known as Kaun. So just a little potash is all you need. So you drop your potash inside the warm water, and then you mix that together nicely to dissolve inside the warm water. Please check the description box below for a list of ingredients. And it is also advisable that you adjust your ingredients according to the quantity of the Nkwobi that you're making. This is very important. Now we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of ground crayfish into our palm oil. Then we'll scoop 2 tablespoons of our potash water into our palm oil. And you mix that together. Can you see the reaction, guys? The potash has actually caused the palm oil to change color. So this is the uniqueness of Nkwobi. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of African Nutmeg, and then we'll mix everything together. Then we'll add sliced Utazi leaf inside our cow food. And of course, we'll also add in our mixture, our palm oil mixture. Then we'll give this a nice mix so everything can incorporate. Look at that color, guys. It looks so beautiful and so inviting. Then we'll cover and leave to simmer for 5 minutes. And here is our beautiful, tasty and super delicious Nkwobi. If you are non-Nigerian and you would like to try this recipe, you can definitely get all the ingredients in any African store around you. Try this recipe and I would like to see your comment. Please give this video a thumbs up and check out my other videos. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you have not done so. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.